Hi, I'm back. So today we're going to play with this BH Cosmetic eyeshadow and blush palette. It has been a while I played with this palette, so I just said let me come back and play with this palette once more again. So I've already moisturized my face and I use my face skincare, and this one has SPF 30. I really like it. This is what I use all the time. So I have already spray my face with the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. So today I'm going to use the Sleek face primer. I'm going to use this to prime my face just a little bit, okay, just this much. Oh, it feels. I'm gonna poke it right here, like my chin, a little bit on my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. The weather is so beautiful. Like the weather has been so hot in Holland. Like it's so cool. I really like it. I won't lie to you. I like the hotness. So today I'm going to take this Sleek cream highlighter. Oh, I still have a little bit of the product of the primer that felt. Just gonna rub it. My skin is getting better, just that my mouth is still a little bit darker here from all of the allergic reaction. So I'm going to take this cream highlighter. I'm just going to take a little bit and then just spread it all over my face, my forehead, the bridge of my neck. When I use the Makeup Revolution concealer as a foundation, this concealer lasts like the whole day. Like it lasts. I did my makeup in the morning and then I went out. The kids have some school program. I went there and the makeup lasts the whole day. And I really like it, so I'm going to use it today. So I don't know whether this is going to be like my favorite product now in the summer, because especially when the place is hot. Like it gives you this really nice full coverage, but then it doesn't leave your face heavy. Your face look really lightweight. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a little bit of a powder just to make sure my eyebrow is on place. It leaves your skin really really nice. Like it gives you like the perfect coverage, but then it doesn't feel like heavy. Most time when you go like when you go for a full face foundation, like have a lot of coverage, it feels a little bit heavy. But the concealer, like it's the perfect, like really nice. So I'm going to take my Hammer brow pencil in 09. You guys know I love this pencil. This is my go, my ride and die pencil. I really like it. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to do my eyebrow, because this, I like to use this pencil in the combination with these Elegor brackets are my favorites. So yeah, I'm just going to use that to do my eyebrow. So to speed up the process, I've already done one eye, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. First, I'm going to take this shade here from the BH Cosmetic eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this to somehow transition. I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12 to cut my eye, and then I use the Sun-Kissed bronzing palette, the little one. I use it on my eyebrow. So after I have done that to transition, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this blush shadow here. This is the blush on, but I really like how this looks. I'm just gonna put this like right here and just like blend it. It has a really nice pigment. So after I had done that, I'm going to take these palettes, guys, now. So I'm going to take this shadow here, this dark brown. I'm going to like put it on the outer corner. Try to see if I can take it and blend these two together with it. And then I'm going to take this darker shade here. This one's a little bit darker, mix it with this black, and then just like press it on the outer corner. Take a little bit more of the black. You're just gonna do like a pressing motion. Just press. Try to like blend in between the shadow you put and the black. So now what I'm going to do is just going to wipe the brush a little bit, and then now you're going to blend the top to get rid of any harsh line, and blend the bottom. And what you're going to do, you're going to blend the bottom like towards your eye, just down. So you're going to blend. Take a little bit more of the black and then put it in there and blend. Turn the brush, the other side of the brush, you're going to use that to like blend the edges. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this brush that I used to transition. I'm gonna use this to like blend here to get rid of any harsh line. Yeah, like that. So you're just gonna continue blending. Excuse my crazy face expressions. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this brush. I'm going in again with this shadow that I use, and then I'm just gonna do like a swiping motion just to like blend the shadow and the black together. So that is it for the eyes. As you guys can see, it's very simple. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my eyeliner and I'm just going to line my eye. I'm not going to do a wing line, I'm just going to stop the liner right here. And that is to do my foundation. I'm going to use the concealer to do my foundation. Like I'm so in love, you guys. You don't know, like this concealer feels so lightweight and it is so full coverage, and I don't really need to spend a lot. Just now it's time to blend. Like this is the first time. Normally whenever I put foundation, whenever I use brush, I like to go in and use my Real Technique sponge, just because I love the finished result much better with when I use foundation with the sponge than the brush. But with this concealer, like I have no problem with using only the brush, because even the brush leaves a really perfect nice. I have all my stuff covered. If you want like to get like a really intense covered, you can, but I have most of my blemishes covered and it doesn't feel heavy or cakey, and which I really like. So I'm going to conceal with the C12. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution setting powder. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brush. I'm going to take this dark brown here. I'm just going to dip the brush between all of this shade, and I'm just gonna do my under eyes. To set my face, I'm going to take the Black Ochre setting powder. I love this powder. It is so nice. So now I'm going to do powder contour. I'm going to use the Elegor contour powder. So now it's time to highlight. This is the highlighter that I'm going to use. So I'm going to take my highlighter brush, just gonna take a little by little. This highlighter is very pigment, guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna wipe my brush off. This highlighter is super pigment. I think I take way too much. This side is okay, but this side is way too much. I don't know if I can like smooth it down with my powder brush. So now that is done, I'm going to take my Black Ochre lip liner. This is in Black Plum 02. I'm gonna use this to line my lip. I thought it was finished. Yep. So now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution lipstick lip gloss. I really like this. I'm gonna put this in the center. So dit is de eindresultaat. This is the finished result. So tell me, what do you guys think? I really like this Makeup Revelation and concealer as a foundation. Guys, when I'm talking, this thing doesn't feel heavy. It feels like my skin has nothing on it, and it gives me a really nice full coverage. Like, is it gonna replace my foundation for the summer? Definitely yes, for the summer, because it feels so light and it feels so, my makeup looks really nice. It doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel heavy, it feels so light on my skin, and my skin looks so natural. Like, I really like it. For the summer, it's definitely a go, because I ain't got time to be layering to be doing concealer and foundation and hiding all those dark spots. Like, this is just magic. So I hope you guys like this look, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page. Don't forget to subscribe, like, join the family. Vergeet niet te abonneren. Abonneer. Je bent altijd welkom. Het is gratis. Doe gewoon, oké? En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram en op mijn Facebook pagina. En daar staat alle informatie. Je zal mooie foto's zien. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien op een andere video. Dus je gaat Emmy. Doeg! Bye!